Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. When you put on a dress, start from right side and read the following. Alhamdulillahilladhi. Let's say, Alhamdulillahilladhi kasani hadha thawb wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa. Okay, so let us take the meanings of these. Alhamdulillah, you know this one. Alhamdu means all praises and thanks. Lillahi or for Allah. Alladhi, the one who. Now kasani. Kasani is made up of two words. Kasa means he clothed. Ni, me. Kasani, he clothed me. Hadha thawb. This garment. Thawb means garment. Thawb, the plural is thiyab. Okay, warazaqanihi. Warazaqanihi is very special word, 4 words in it. Wa means and, right? Razaqa, he provided. Ni, me, he, it. Warazaqanihi, and he provided it to me. Alright. Razaqa, by the way, in different forms occurs in the Quran 117 times. وَرَزَقَنِيهِ, and he provided it to me. مِنْ غَيْرِ حَوْلٍ مِنِّي وَلَا قُوَّةٍ. Min غَيْرِ, without. Min غَيْر, without. Hawl means power. Minni, from me. Minni, from me. وَلَا قُوَّةٍ, and nor any strength. With no power and no strength. What's the message here? Clothing is among the basic needs of a human being and a big blessing from Allah. The main purpose of clothing is to cover our private parts. It protects us from evil eyes too. The dress is a tool of adornment and to make us look beautiful. We have different clothing styles for different occasions. We feel comfort in their color, design, quality, softness, and warmth. Clothing protects us from sun, rain, cold, and from insects such as flies and mosquitoes. It protects us to some extent from the attack of evil human beings too. The dress we put on may have been purchased from a shop, stitched on a machine, and designed by a tailor. However, it is Allah who engaged all these people to make our dress ready. Allah has created all the materials from which a dress is made. Do we have the power to create the land, provide rains, and grow the crop? If Allah had not made these arrangements, we cannot buy any cloths, even if we have millions in our pocket. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.